Hey buddy, stuck choosing between a gas car, a hybrid, or an electric one? You're not alone. So many drivers feel overwhelmed with all the options today. The truth? Each type of car has its own strengths and downsides. But don't worry. We're gonna break this down in a super chill way. Let's start with the basics, so you can pick what fits your life, not just the trend. Stick around, because we're starting with the classic gas-powered car. Gasoline cars are everywhere. They've been around the longest. Fun fact, over 90% of vehicles on the road still run on gas, according to the IEA. They're easy to refuel, usually cheaper up front, and you'll find service stations in every corner. But they burn fossil fuels, which means more pollution and higher fuel costs long term. Next, let's see if hybrid cars really offer the best of both worlds. Alright, hybrid cars. These guys use both a gas engine and an electric motor. According to Toyota, hybrids can cut fuel use by up to 30% compared to standard gas cars. That means fewer trips to the pump and better mileage. They're perfect for city driving with lots of stops and starts. Coming up, we're diving into electric vehicles, the rising stars of the road. You're doing great, bro. Just learning this stuff puts you ahead of most people. Electric cars, or EVs, are powered by batteries only. No gas at all. They're clean, quiet, and way cheaper to run. According to the United States Department of Energy, EVs can save you around $800 to $1,000 a year on fuel alone. But charging takes time, and range anxiety is still real if you drive long distances. Let's now compare the cost to buy each one, because budget matters. Let's talk price. Gas cars are still the cheapest to buy new. Hybrids cost a bit more, but you save on gas later. EVs are the priciest up front, but you might get tax incentives or rebates. Plus, fewer moving parts means lower maintenance in the long run. So what about maintenance and repair costs? That's coming next. Gas cars need regular oil changes, spark plugs, and exhaust repairs. Hybrids have both systems, so there's more to maintain. EVs? No oil changes. Fewer parts to wear out. That's a win. But battery replacement can be pricey if it ever fails. Up next, let's talk performance. Which one's more fun to drive? Remember, bro, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in how you move through life. Performance-wise, EVs usually win in speed. Instant torque makes them feel zippy even from a stop. Gas cars still give that classic engine rumble and smooth power. Hybrids are balanced, but not as fast or sporty. Now what about the environment? Let's go green in the next one. Gas cars produce the most carbon emissions, no surprise there. Hybrids cut that down a bit by relying partly on electricity. EVs are clean to drive, but their battery production and electricity source matter too. According to the EPA, EVs still beat gas cars on total emissions in most regions. Let's shift gears and talk about range and refueling. Gas cars can go 400 to 500 miles on a full tank. Easy. Hybrids are close, maybe even more. EVs? Around 250 to 300 miles on average, depending on model and driving. But with more chargers popping up, range isn't as scary as it used to be. Next, how long does it take to refuel or recharge? Let's break it down. You're learning to make smarter choices, bro. That's how confidence is built. Gas cars? Fill up in 5 minutes. Hybrids? Same deal. EVs? Charging at home can take 6 to 12 hours. Fast chargers can do 80% in 30 minutes. Plan ahead and it's manageable. After this, we'll look at which one works best for different lifestyles. Live in the city? A hybrid or EV might be best. Lots of stop-and-go driving. Long road trips? Gas or hybrid wins for convenience, where if you've got a charger at home, EVs make life easier. No charger? Maybe wait on full electric. Next, we'll check resale value and long-term reliability. Gas cars lose value faster due to fuel costs and emissions. Hybrids hold value well, especially popular models like the Prius. EV resale is tricky. Some drop fast, others stay strong, depends on brand and battery life. Do your homework on each model. Coming up, how does weather affect these cars? Every answer you find brings you closer to the right car for you. Keep at it, bro. Cold weather affects all cars, but especially EVs. Batteries drain faster in low temps. Gas and hybrids handle weather better overall. Still, with good planning, you can manage just fine with any of them. Let's now look at insurance and registration costs. Insurance for EVs and hybrids can be higher due to tech and repair costs. Gas cars are cheaper to insure but not always the best value long-term. Check with your provider before buying. Up next, government incentives. Free money, anyone? Many countries offer tax credits or rebates for EVs and hybrids. In the United States, you can save up to $7,500 on certain models. That helps balance out the higher price tag. But these deals change often, so stay updated. Alright, ready to wrap this up with a full summary soon. You're not just choosing a car, you're choosing how to live smarter. Respect that journey, bro. So what did we learn? Gas cars are easy, cheap, but less eco-friendly. Hybrids offer balance, good mileage, flexible. EVs are quiet, clean, future-ready, but need planning. Still unsure? Let's go over some final decision tips next. Think about your driving habits. How far do you usually go? Do you have access to charging, bro? What's your budget? Test drive each type if you can. Go with what fits your daily life, not just what looks cool. Next, we'll talk about future trends. What's coming next? EV tech is moving fast. Better batteries, faster charging, more range. Hybrids are evolving too, with plug-in options. Gas cars are still here, but fading slowly. So even if you don't switch now, knowing what's ahead helps. One more segment to go. Let's close this out. Every driver is different. What works for me might not work for you. There's no one perfect car. But now you've got the knowledge to choose with confidence. And that's what matters most. Let's finish this video strong, bro. Thanks for watching, buddy. If this helped you even a bit, go ahead and like, share, and comment your experience with gas, hybrid, or EVs. We'd love to hear what worked for you. Disclaimer. Always consult a trusted mechanic or advisor for car-related decisions, especially if you have special needs or conditions.